Meaning of hardworking.
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 Hardworking. The term hardworking refers to someone who consistently puts in a significant amount of time and effort towards achieving their goals. A hardworking individual is typically dedicated, disciplined, and focused on their tasks. They possess a strong work ethic and are committed to producing high-quality results. Hard work often leads to success and personal fulfillment, as those who work hard are more likely to achieve their desired outcomes. Overall, being hardworking is an admirable trait that can help individuals reach their full potential and make the most out of their opportunities.